Step by step we go. Marijuana. 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 Is it marriage that you wanna? Marijuana. Is it marriage you wanna? Hustler. I ain't a dirty hustler. No, I ain't a buster. No, am I a buster? Brazo. Unyanga nelanga. King Professor Nyanga nelanga ilanga libalela abathathi becambalele. Yinhlekelele ngishindo dilimele. Still as mouth. Still. Never always say. Find this nigga eating and say. In the whole wide world. I'm gonna have thousands of taxis. You gotta be streetwise. Hey, boy. Eh? Eh? Sempre isso não me sei dizer, vou mangoso. O segundo já ali? Hello, C-section, Cassie B-section, number 1 location, location in the ocean, coming over and see the motion. Our love and my cheat hustling, putting it together, the love of township. That's a lot. Hey, fuck you, dog. Shut the fuck up, dog. I'm your commander, dog. No. Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum dum. Sanibona. Linjani?
Siyaphila.
Sikhona. Hey, ngabe seniphathisa.
Manje
Nyanga kubi. Nyanga kubi vele.
ngala.
La right.
Ngine.
Ah, sishona le kodwa. Siyaqonda. Hey.
Oh, hayi.
Ngingadina ma.
Akunankinga fani siyabonga.
All right. Hey, what's this? nami loo nto ngisho sebeseringile hayi kagcani uya ngala siphela iminyaka phela heyi yizo nje khongoza nami ngiyabuka sazoshona le futhi izinja
usayifaka emgaqweni sidlule kalula masihamba la bangakhona inkinga masibuke
yabona yodwa masijahe sesiloye izinja asisaya konsango manje sisemshini sesiyekhaphe sifuna sibize imishini hayi ngangingaya kodwa imishini namhlanje ngakusasa mhlawumbe ngalala kafasi ngemishini bese ngasakhathini ya ngijova kusasa vele ngizona so
nangasemsane ngiyojova ekhaya
iy'thunzi zama-brothers ilovu kaSlam yo lithokoza lapha ziyabuya 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 RSA Sabi Camera you ain't like your big bro Sabi Camera yo usabantu semasababsi pop mabhodlela pop champagne man RIP to Ricky Rick Makasana it's machine box Nangawi you had everything king you had the fame you had the money you had the swag but something wasn't right you took your own life I pray that you do enter heaven because I heard that if you take your own life you don't enter heaven but you belong in heaven Ricky Rick you belong there. And all the fun soldiers, we be riding Range Rovers, reminiscing all the days we had with you in the past. The future looks bright indeed, just like the stars and the moon and the sun and the sky. Oh, I'm about to enter the territory where lives a king. A king and a queen. Indlovukazi yakwaShubu. uNtombi Zofia. uMama Mthembu. Queen Ndlovukazi. Short left. Bayishole Joes. Short left, short right. Sisongena ehlathini baba. This is Manigugu River. All the way up. No more Little Manzimtoti one day. And that's my biggest dream. To change this river's name. I'm also going to name a dam after my mom and my grand. Manigugu Dam. Manigugu River. Sangene change. Ema weeds. Sambe change. Bachelu tasbasa on there. Rest in peace to my nigga Weeds. I know you smiling at Jesus. Telling him how hard it is in the streets. He already knows how it is in this earth. He once became one of us. He became flesh. The word became flesh. And everything that came to existence was manifested by the word himself, the Son of God who sits in the throne. He is now the interceder. He sits by the right hand of God as he ministers. He is a high priest. Sambe change. Jungle, jungle ice. Terrace. Somebody 10 minutes and counting. 10 minutes, 14 seconds. Welcome. Basivalela indlela. Umsunyako. There lives the king and the queen. Kings and queens. Welcome to my hood. Welcome to my hood. We're up to no good. We're up to every good. Look at the street. Look at this shit. Look at this mess in my hood. My shadow always directing me. Shadow, 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 shadow. Ikas lamakas. Hello, C-section. Kasi breed section. Number 1 location. Located near the ocean. Come on over and see the motion. Up in the streets, I'm all over Namachita hustling. Everybody bustling. Whistling. As we winning. We don't hibernate. We ain't bears. We just regulate and relate till we smash and bang like a hand grenade. R.I.P. to all the fallen. Yeah, we are entering Manikuku Avenue. Revenue. Molo. Scotland John. Manikuku Avenue. My hood. My regulations. My territory. Professor Nyanganela. King. And I'm bowed down to. Cholo cholo. King Professor Bab. Nyanganela, ilang albale. Here we go. Here's the palace. This is my home. Keys. The keys to his God. The keys to his God. There you go, I say. Sabi Kamer. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. Thank you for the weed. Thank you for the weed. Thank you for the weed. That's in my hand. Undlovukazi yakashuku. Angivule mjodolo. Imali phesheya ngithenga la. Ngiyeza. Ufunani? Oh. Cool. Oh, ipoto. Hey, ngikhohliwe. Zokwaya. Okay, ngilungise.